me out, guys. What if I told you you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time making memories with your loved ones this Christmas? Not only that, you also get a surprise Christmas gift when you recreate this recipe courtesy of Addmie. Now let me show you how I achieved making the special fried rice in minutes while I talk about the kitchen unsung hero, Addmie. Addmie is like a time traveling chef that makes cooking quicker. More time for you, less time cooking. Win-win. Addmie isn't just tasty, it's like a veggie superhero too. It adds goodness to your food with mixed veggies, yummy and good for you. That's a double win. Addmie comes in 3 different flavors: chicken, classic and crayfish. But I'm going to be using the chicken and classic flavors, which contains all my favorite veggies. You see, this Christmas, I just want to live a soft life, no stress. All I have to do is rehydrate this in boiling water in less than 2 minutes. Stir fry with the Addmie seasoning and then add into my rice. And that's it, guys. See how Addmie has reduced the time I would have spent in cutting veggies. It has also added a final touch to my special fried rice. It enter your eye, Abby. Now, it's your turn to spread the Christmas joy, guys. Recreate this Addmie infused recipe and show me your culinary skills. Post on your page. Don't forget to use the hashtags add the final touch to 2023 and Addmie Christmas recipe. Make sure to tag and follow Addmie for a chance to win a surprise Christmas gift. Let's make this holiday season extra special with Addmie magic.